Hi guys, welcome to Unacademy CET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. I'm going to continue with this CET 2021 paper. In the previous video, we stopped at CET 2021 up to 30 questions. Let's start from question number 31. Before we proceed, guys, please do subscribe our channel, enable the bell icon so that you get notifications for all our classes. If you have already subscribed, then please do share this video, guys. All right, let us start question number 31. P of A given B, P of A given B is equal to 1 by 2. So P of A given B is P of A intersection B divided by P of B, and that's equal to 1 upon 2. If I cross multiply, P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 2 into P of B. So P of A intersection B is equal to 1 upon 2 into P of B. P of B is 3 by 5. 3 upon 5. So P of A intersection B is equal to 3 by 10. Right, now I'm supposed to find out what is P of A. Now according to the question, P of A union B is equal to 4 by 5. P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, and that's equal to 4 by 5. Now I'll substitute the values. P of A I'm supposed to find out. P of B is equal to 3 by 5 and P of A intersection B is 3 by 10, and that's equal to 4 by 5. Okay, now P of A is equal to 4 by 5 plus 3 by 10. 4 by 5 plus 3 by 10 minus 3 by 5. Okay, now P of A is equal to, I'm going to take LCM as 10. Okay, now if I take suppose LCM 10, LCM is 10, right? So if I take suppose LCM 10, this should be equal to 8 plus 6 minus 8 plus 3. If I take LCM 10, this is 8 plus 3 minus 6. Now P of A is equal to 5 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 2. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. A, B, C are three independent events such that P of A, P of B, P of C is equal to P. Then P of at least 2 of A, B, C will occur. So this means that at least 2 of A, B, C means A will occur, B will occur, C will not occur. Okay, or it might be like this: A, B, A B bar and C. A and C will occur, or this is equal to A bar B C. B and C will occur. Okay, so this is B and C occur, or all ABC will occur. All right, now this is equal to probability of P is equal to probability of A occurring is equal to P. B occurring is also P. C does not occur is 1 minus P. Even this is same, P 1 minus P and then P. This is 1 minus P. This is P and P plus this is P into P into P. Right, now this is same, right? So I can write this as 3P square into 1 minus P plus this is PQ. Right, now if I simplify this is equal to 3P square minus 3PQ plus minus 3PQ plus PQ. This is equal to 3P square minus 2PQ. Answer is option C. Right, let's move to the next question. Two dice are thrown. If it is known that sum of the numbers on the dice was less than 6, then the probability of getting sum as 3. Two dice are thrown, sample space is equal to 1 1 to 1 6 Sample space is 1 1 to 1 6 and so on up to 6 1 to 6 6. This will be the sample space. Capital A is equal to probability of sum getting a sum of 3. Capital A is equal to sum is 3 and capital B is equal to sum of numbers on the die is less than 6. Capital A is equal to sum should be less than 6. Okay, now capital A is equal to sum is 3. So I can take 1 2 2 1, right? And capital B is equal to sum should be less than 6. Sum is less than 6 means sum should be 2 3 4 5. Sum is 2, that is 1 2. Sum is less than 6, right? So sum is 1, sum is 2, sorry, 1 comma 1. Sum is 2 is 1, sum is 3 is 1 comma 2 2 comma 1. Alright, sum is 4, 1 3 2 2 and 3 1. This is sum 4. Sum 5 will be 1 4 2 3 3 2 and 4 1. Yeah, that's right, sum 5. A intersection B is equal to matrix is equal to 1 2 and 2 1. Right, now P of A given B. P of A given B is equal to N of A intersection B divided by N of B. N of A intersection B is 2. N of B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 5. Answer is option C. Alright, let's move to the next question. A car manufacturing factory has two plants X and Y. Plant X produces 70% of cars and plant Y manufactures 30% of the cars. Alright, now 80% of the cars at plant X and 90% of the cars at plant Y are rated as standard quality. Alright, a car is chosen at random and found to be of standard quality. This is an event which has happened. The probability that it has come from plant X. It's a question on Bayes theorem. Okay, capital A is equal to event of choosing a car produced by plant X. Okay, and B is equal to event of choosing a car produced by plant Y. Now P of A is equal to producing a car from plant X is 70%, that is 70 by 100, and P of B is equal to producing a car from plant Y is 30 by 100. Okay, now I have to choose E is equal to event of selecting a car of standard quality. This is standard quality. Now probability of E given A, probability of choosing a standard quality given that it is produced by plant X is 80 by 100, and probability of E given B is equal to 90 by 100. This is 90 by 100. The probability it comes from plant X is probability of A given E is equal to probability of E given A into P of A divided by P of E given A into P of A plus P of E given B into P of B. Okay, I'll substitute the values. E given A is 80 by 100 into P of A is equal to 70 by 100. Again, this is equal to 80 by 100 into 70 by 100. E given EB is 90 by 100 into probability of B is equal to 30 by 100. Okay, this will cancel and cancel 0 as well. Cancel all the zeros. Left out is 7 8 56. Okay, this is equal to 56 plus 27. This is equal to 56 divided by 83. Answer is option C. Right, let's move to the next question. In a certain town, 65% of families own cell phones. 1,500 families own a car, owns a scooter. So capital A is equal to cell phone. This is cell phones, and B is equal to own a scooter. Okay, so this is scooter. Okay, taking into consideration that families own at least one of the two, the total number of families in the town. I take X is equal to total number of families X is equal to total number of families. X is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now X is equal to n of A, that is 65%, 65 by 100 of X, plus n of B, scooter is 1500, that is 15,000, sorry, minus n of A intersection 15%, that is 15 by 100 of X. Here if I simplify, I get the value of X. That's what I'm supposed to find out. Okay, now X is equal to 65 minus 15 is 50 by 100 plus 1500. No, 15,000. This will cancel. X is equal to X by 2 plus 15,000. X minus X by 2 is X by 2. X by 2 is equal to 15,000. And if I cross multiply, X is equal to 30,000. The total number of families is 30,000. Answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. A and B are two singleton sets. Okay, n of A intersection B is equal to 3 by 5, 35. B is a subset of A. So this means that n of A cross B is equal to 7 into 5, right? 5 7 is 35. This means that n of A is equal to 7, n of B is equal to 3. Alright, it cannot be other way. It is given in the question that B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A means B should be present in A. So n of A should be 7, n of B should be equal to 5. Now n of A is a subset of n of A, C, n of B combinations, that is 7C5. 7C5 is same as 7C2. 7C2 is 7 into 6 upon 2 into 1, which is equal to 21. Right, answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Domain of fx. X should not be equal to plus minus 1, right? Actually 1 minus x shouldn't be 0. 1 minus x should not be 0. 1 should not be equal to mod x. Therefore x should not be equal to plus minus 1. That is any real number except minus 1 and plus 1. 37 is D. Okay, question number 38. The value of cos 1200. I can write this as 36 2 into 36 1080 plus 20 3 into 36. Okay, 3 into 360 is 1080 and 4 into 360 is equal to 1440 plus this is tan of 4 into 360 plus 45. Okay, that's equal to 360 plus theta first quadrant, all are positive. This is cos 120. Okay, 360 plus theta first quadrant, all are positive. This is tan 45. Cos 120 is minus half and tan 45 is 1. 1 minus half is half. Answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. The value of tan 1, right? The value of tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 and so on up to in between you get tan 44. Okay, and then you get tan 45, tan 46. Okay, and so on up to tan 89. Now this is tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 and so on up to tan 44. Okay, tan 45 is 1. And then tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta, right? Tan 46 is same as cot 44. So this is cot 44. Similarly, this is cot 43 and so on up to cot 1. Everything will get cancelled. This tan 1 will cancel. One term before tan 1 is before cot 1 you will get cot 2. Even this will cancel. Like this all the terms will get cancelled. You will get the answer as 1. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Okay, we all know that we have done this before as well. 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I can be written as 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I into 1 plus I by 1 plus I. Numerator is 1 plus I the whole square divided by 1 minus I square. This is A square plus B square plus 2I. I square is minus 1. I square is minus 1 plus 2I divided by 2. 2 and 2 cancels, you will get I. 1 plus I by 1 minus I is I. You get I to the power of x is equal to 1. I per multiple of 4 is always equal to 1. So x is equal to 4n. N is any natural number. Last option D. I power multiple of 4 is always 1. I power 4 is I square the whole square. Minus 1 the whole square is equal to plus 1. Similarly, I power 8 is I square whole power 4. That is minus 1 power 4 which is equal to plus 1. I per multiple of 4 is always 1. Let's move to the next question. Okay, the cost and revenue functions of a product are given by C of x and R of x is given, where x is the number of items produced and sold. Then the value of x, the value of x to earn profit. Okay, now the profit is always equal to revenue minus the cost, right? Now profit is equal to, I'll take profit function as P of x. Profit function is P of x. Revenue is equal to 60x plus 2000 minus the cost, that is 220x minus 4000. If I subtract, this is equal to 40x minus 2000. Alright, now profit should be maximum, right? Now this is 40x minus 2000 should be positive. 40x is greater than 2000. This will cancel. X is greater than 50. X is more than 50 is answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. A student has to answer 10 questions using at least 4 from each of the parts of A and B. If there are 6 questions in part A, so this is part A and this is part B. There are 6 questions in part A and 7 questions in part B. Okay, then the number of ways that student can choose 10 questions. He has to choose at least 4 from each part. So this means that if he choosing 4 from part A, it should be 6 from part B, total 10. Or this is 5 and 5, or it can be 6 and 4. Okay, at least 4 from each part. So combination will be equal to 6C6, 6C4, right? Combination will be equal to 6C4 into 7C6, or this will be equal to 6C5 into 7C5, or it will be equal to 6C6 into 7C4. 6C6 is same as 7C2 and 7C1. This is 6C1 into 7C2. 6c6 is 1, this is 7c3. 6c2 is 15, right? 7c1 is 7. Again, this is equal to 6 into 7c2 is 7 into 6 upon 2 into 1, which is 21. 7c3 is 35. 7 into 6 into 5 upon 3 into 2 into 1. Yeah, that is 35. Okay, so this is 105 plus 126 plus 35. Okay, let's add all this. 105, 126 and 35. This is 16. This is 6, 266. Okay, answer is option C. It's a question on combinations. Right, question number 43. Middle term of AP is 300. Then the sum of first 51 terms. If I take 51 terms, obviously middle term will be 26th term only. 1, 2, 3 and so on up to, this is 25, 26, 27, 28 and so on up to 51. There are 51 terms. Okay, that is 50 on the 25 on the left, 25 on the right. Middle term is 26th term only. So middle term is equal to 300. That is according to the question. Middle term can be written as A plus 25D is equal to 300. Then the sum of first 51 terms, A1 plus A2 and so on up to A51. Alright, what's the formula? N by 2 into A plus L, right? First term plus last term. So this is 51 by 2 into first term is A1, last term is A51. 51 by 2, first term is 1, fifth term is A plus 26D, 50D, sorry. 51st term is A plus 50D. This is equal to 51 by 2. It will take 2 common, A plus 25D. 2 and 2 cancels. This is equal to 51 into A plus 25D is 300. 3 ones 3, 3 5 15 with double 0. 15,300. First option. Alright, question number 44. The equation of a line, straight line which is passing through the point. Passing through the point A cos cube theta, comma A sin cube theta. Alright, and perpendicular to the line x sec theta plus y cosec theta is equal to A. Right, slope of this line is minus A by B. Is equal to minus sec divided by cosec, which is equal to minus sine upon cos. This is slope of this line. Slope of this line is cos theta divided by sin theta. Reverse it and change the sign. M1, M2 should be minus 1. This is the slope M. Now required line will be equal to, this is x1 comma y1. Equation of required line will be equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now y minus y1 is A sin cube theta is equal to m, that is cos theta by sin theta, into x minus x1, that is x minus x1 is A cos cube theta. If I cross multiply, you will get y sin theta minus A sin power 4 theta is equal to x cos theta minus A into cos power 4 theta. Right, now if I simplify this, you will get x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to A cos power 4 theta minus A sin power 4 theta. Okay, now x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to A common. You will get cos power 4, right? This can be written as cos square minus sin square into cos square plus sin square. Cos square plus sin square is 1. Cos square minus sin square is cos 2 theta. So this becomes x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to a into cos square minus sin square is cos 2 theta. Answer is option C. Sorry, no C. X cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to a into cos 2 theta. Answer is B. B for Bangalore. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 45. The midpoints of the sides of a triangle are given. Midpoints are 1, 5, minus 1, and then 0, 4, minus 2, and then you get 2, 3, 4. Then what is the centroid? See, the centroid of a triangle formed by the midpoints is same as centroid of the triangle formed by the vertices. So centroid G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, and then z1 plus z2 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. Okay, so this is 3 by 3 is 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 by 2 is 4, and then you get 1 by 3. Answer is option B. Alright, question number 46. I should check which of the following statements are true. First statement number 1, limit extends to 1. If x is tending to 1 here, that is ax square plus bx plus c divided by cx square plus bx plus a. X is tending to 1, you will get this as a plus b plus c by c plus b plus a, that is equal to 1. So statement 1 is true. Statement 2, limit x is tending to minus 2. If you cross multiply 2 plus x divided by 2x into this is x plus 2. This will cancel, x is tending to 2, you get minus 1 by 4. Alright, which is false. Only one is true. Only statement 1 is true. Right, question number 47. If a and b are two fixed non-zero constants, then the derivative of it should be derivative. Then the derivative of this function is ma plus nb minus 7. Then which of the following is true? If I differentiate this, differentiation of 1 by x power 4 is minus 4 by x power 5. Differentiation of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. And differentiation of cos is minus sine. So this is okay, that's equal to minus 4 by x power 5 into a, minus and minus is plus 2 by x cube into b minus sine x. Now you compare this with this. M is equal to minus 4 by x power 5, n is equal to 2 by x cube, okay, and then p is equal to sine x. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. The standard deviation of these numbers. See, if you subtract 30, if I subtract 30 from all the observations, now these observations can be written as 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 17. And if you have suppose 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n, then the standard deviation is equal to root of n square minus 1 by 12. Now 1 to 17 standard deviation will be equal to root of 17 square minus 1 divided by 12. 17 square is 289, right? So this is 288 by 12, which is equal to root of 24. 288 you divide by 12. 12 2 is 24. Okay, and then this is 4 times 48. That's right. This is 2 root 6. Answer is C. So remember the formula. Standard deviation is root of n square minus n by 12 if the observations are 1 to n. So either you add or subtract, observation remains the same. So you subtract 30, then the observations will change. Numbers will change. Alright, let's move to the next question. P of A A dash intersection B dash the same as P of A union B whole dash. This is equal to P of A dash intersection B dash is equal to P of A union B whole dash. P of A bar is equal to 1 minus P of A, right? This is same as P of A union B whole bar. P of A bar is 1 minus P of A, which is equal to 1 minus of P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, now this is equal to 1 minus of P of A is 0.59, P of B is 0.3, and P of A intersection B is 0.21. This is 1 minus of 0.59 plus 0.9. Okay, this is equal to 1 minus 0.68, which is equal to 0.32. Answer is option C. Right, question number 50. This question was asked in 2019 paper as well. 19, it is repeated actually. Exactly same problem. F of minus 2 is equal to f of minus 2, let me write here, f of minus 2 plus f of 3. Okay, plus f of 4. F of minus 2 will be less than 1, right? That is, you will get 3 into 2, 3 into minus 2. F of 3 will be equal to 3 square. F of 4 will be equal to 2 into 4. So this is minus 6 plus 9 plus 8. Okay, which is equal to 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. Answer is option D. Alright, question number 51. F is a function x belongs to R. X is not a positive integer. X is not a positive integer. Okay, define f from A to R. F of x is equal to 2x minus 1. 2x upon x minus 1. You should check 1 to 1 and on to. For 1 to 1, f of x1 is equal to f of x2, right? Implies that I'll take x1, x2 belongs to domain. x1, x2 belongs to capital A domain. F of x1 is 2x1 divided by x1 minus 1. F of x2 is equal to 2x2 divided by x2 minus 1. If you cross multiply, you will get x1, x2 minus x1 is equal to x1, x2 minus x2. This will cancel minus as well. You will get x1 is equal to x2. This is 1 to 1. If I check on to, that is surjectivity, let y belongs to capital R, that is codomain. Okay, put y is equal to f of x. If you put y is equal to fx, you will get y is equal to fx is 2x divided by x minus 1. This is y a function of x, right? Simplify and write x a function of y. xy minus y is equal to 2x. So this is xy minus 2x is equal to y. Okay, so I can write this as take x minus 1 into y xy minus 2x is equal to y. Take x common, y minus 2 is equal to y, and from this y is equal to x is equal to y divided by y minus 2. If y is equal to 2, x is not defined, right? X is not defined, therefore this is not on to. So this is 1 to 1 but not on to, injective but not surjective. Answer is option A. Alright, question number 52. Alright, the same question, guys. Same question. Now it is a corrected one. Same problem. Injective but not surjective. Okay, question number 53. What's the domain of this? See, 1 by root f is defined only when f is strictly greater than 0, right? So box x the whole square minus box x minus 6 should be positive. If I split the middle term, minus 3 plus 2, that is box x minus 3 into box x minus 2 plus 2, sorry, is strictly greater than 0. If I draw the wavy curve, minus infinity to plus infinity, fix the roots in increasing order, minus 2 and plus 3, plus minus and plus. This means that box x is less than minus 2, box x is less than minus 2, or box x is greater than 3. Box x is greater than 3 means x should be greater than or equal to 4, right? X belongs to closed interval 4 to infinity. And box x is less than minus 2 means x is less than minus 2. X belongs to minus infinity comma minus 2. So domain of f is equal to minus infinity minus 2 open bracket union with close interval 4 to infinity. Answer is option A. Alright, so this is not possible. So answer should be option A only, guys. Alright, let's move to the next question. See, this is equal to cos of cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse of x, pi minus cot inverse of root 3, plus this is pi by 6. Cot inverse of root 3 will be tan inverse of 1 by root 3 and pi by 6 plus pi by 6. So this is equal to cos of tan inverse of 1 by root 3 is pi by 6 plus pi by 6. This will cancel. Cos pi is minus 1. Okay, answer is option D. Question number 55. Tan of 5 pi by 12 can be written as tan of 2 pi plus pi by 2 pi plus pi by 2, right? 360 plus theta first quadrant. Sorry, not tan, sine. If it is tan, then it's not defined. This is equal to sine of 360 plus theta first quadrant sine pi by 2, which is equal to 1. Tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Okay, and then you get sine inverse of cos of sine inverse of root 3 by 2 is pi by 3. Cos 60 is half. Tan inverse of 1 by root 3 is pi by 6. And then this is sine inverse of cos 60 is half. Sine inverse of half is pi by 6. Pi by 6 into pi by 6 is pi by 6 the whole square. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. AB whole transpose AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Right, very simple question. B dash, if you take first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. A dash will be equal to 1 minus 2 and 1, 2, 1, 3. Now let's multiply first row, first column. You will get 2 minus 6 plus 1. First row, second column, 2 plus 3 plus 3. Second row, first column, 1 minus 4 plus 1. Second row, second column, you will get 2 plus 2 plus 3. So this is equal to matrix minus 3 plus 10 minus 2 and plus 7. Answer is option B. Question number 57. M is a 2 by 2 symmetric matrix with integer entries. Good question, follow carefully. M is equal to symmetric matrix, right? A, B, if I take C, this is also B because it is symmetric matrix. Elements which are symmetric to the principal diagonal should be same. Assume this is a paper. If you fold, elements should coincide. So B is symmetric. Option, so I should find out M is invertible, that is inverse will exist in which of the following cases. Option number A, the first column of M, first column of M should be equal to transpose of second row of M. Transpose of second row will be equal to BC. So this means that A is equal to B and B is equal to C. A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to K. So I get all matrices same. So that you will get this as K, K, K and K. Determinant is 0, right? Determinant is 0. So inverse does not exist. First option is false. Second also same thing. Second row of M is the transpose of first column of M. First column of transpose of first column is AB. So this means that A is equal to B, B is equal to C. So this means that A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to, let's say, K. Again you get all the elements the same. Determinant is equal to 0. Determinant A is equal to 0, so inverse doesn't exist. C is equal to correct. M is a diagonal matrix with non-zero entries. So this is AC 0 0. Obviously inverse will exist. Even last option doesn't exist because principal diagonal of M is equal to product of the entries in the other diagonal. So this means that according to the question, AC is equal to B square. So this means that determinant is 0, inverse doesn't exist. Answer is option C only. Question number 58. If you take 3 outside, it is 3 power n, right? Into determinant A into determinant B. N stands for order of the matrix. A and B are matrices of order 3. So this is 3 cube. Into determinant A is 5, determinant B is 3. 27 into 15. 5 7 is 35. 5 2 is 10, 11, 12, 13. Plus 27. This is 405. Answer is option B. Okay, question number 59. A and B are invertible matrices, then which of the following is not correct? First option is true. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. If you cross multiply, you will get adjoint of A is equal to determinant A into A inverse. This is true. First option is true. Second option is also true. Determinant of A inverse is equal to determinant A whole inverse. Even B is true. Third option, obviously AB whole inverse is B inverse into A inverse. This is also true. That's called reversal law of inverses. Alright, option D is false. And the last question of 2021 paper, question number 60. Limit extends to pi of fx. Fx, if I expand the determinant, you will get cos x into, delete first row, first column. You will get 4 cos square x minus 3. And remaining will be zeros. So 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, which is equal to cos 3x. Limit extending to pi and cos 3x, which is equal to cos 3 pi. Cos 3 pi is minus 1. Answer is option A. Alright, so we finished all the questions of 2021 paper, guys. In my next video, I'll come up with KCET 2022 paper. That's the last one. So if you take the platform, if you take this KCET Unacademy YouTube channel, we have done recording of KCET papers from 2014 to 2021. 2022 paper I'll do in the next session. All right. So please please do watch, like, and share my video, guys. And subscribe the channel, enable the bell icon if you haven't subscribed the channel, and then in my next video I'll come with KCET 2022 paper. Until then, bye guys.